Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a question that many people ask. Why do people worship at all? In a world that values independence and personal freedom, some people wonder, why should I worship anyone? Why can't I simply live my life the way I want? At first, these questions may seem reasonable. But let's think more deeply. Islam teaches that every human being is naturally a worshipper. You may be surprised to hear that. Many people say, I don't worship anything. But is that really true? Think about what occupies your mind the most. What do you devote your time, energy, and effort to? For some people, it is money. For others, it is fame. For others, it is power, status, entertainment, or even their own desires. Islam teaches that whatever dominates your life becomes the object of your devotion. In other words, every person worships something. The real question is not whether we worship. The real question is what we worship. Islam teaches that worshiping Allah alone is true freedom. Why? Because when you worship Allah, you stop being controlled by everything else. You are no longer a slave to money. You are no longer a slave to public opinion. You are no longer a slave to your desires. Instead, you submit yourself to the one who created you. But worship in Islam is much more than prayer. Many people think worship only means praying in a mosque. In reality, worship includes every good action done for the sake of Allah. Being honest, keeping your promises, helping those in need, treating people fairly, doing your work with excellence, standing against injustice. All of these can become acts of worship when done sincerely for Allah. Another important point is that Allah does not need our worship. Allah is perfect. Our prayers do not increase His power. Our disobedience does not decrease His greatness. The command to worship is for our benefit. It helps us grow spiritually, morally, and emotionally. It gives our lives meaning and direction. Most importantly, worship reminds us of our relationship with our Creator, the one who gave us life, the one who provides for us every day, the one to whom we will eventually return. For a believer, worship is not a burden. It is an expression of gratitude, an expression of love, and a recognition that Allah alone deserves our devotion. So why do people worship? Because human beings are created with the need to devote themselves to something. Islam teaches us to direct that devotion toward the one who truly deserves it, Allah. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content explaining Islam in a simple and meaningful way. May Allah increase us in faith, wisdom, and understanding. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.